Hindu philosophical concepts are highly scientific but are obscure and difficult to understand. Our ancient sages have brought out a number of mythological stories with a view to convey them to common folk in easy to understand language in the form of various pujas, rituals, festivals, and ceremonies, etc. Ganesh Chaturthi is one of the most important of such festivals. There are a number of stories connected with the birth of Ganesha and how he acquired an elephant's head. Devi Parvati wanted someone to guard the house when she takes her bath, and she created Ganesha out of turmeric paste with the instructions that he should not allow anybody to enter. Unfortunately, when Lord Shiva wanted to enter, he was obstructed, which angered Shiva to sever Ganesha's head. Subsequently, to pacify Parvati, Shiva arranged for an elephant head that was facing north to be fixed onto Ganesha's body, and thus he was made alive. This story has a scientific significance. As we all know, matter can neither be destroyed nor created. Transformation from one of its states into another is evolution that has brought this fascinating world into existence. Static energy in its primordial form is called potential energy, and in its dynamic state it becomes kinetic energy, exhibiting work and change. These two forms of energy working on passive matter is the world in its various forms that we perceive, experience, and enjoy. These three fundamental aspects form the basis of all Hindu religious practices, be they be festivals, worships, rituals, or ceremonies. The three fundamental aspects are symbolically attributed to the three divine entities, Shiva, Shakti, and Panchamahabhutas that form the earth. Referring to the mythological story, Devi Parvati, working on matter, transformed it into living entity capable of guarding the door. Denying entry to Shiva and consequential removing of its head is to be understood as an act of slashing ignorance, replacing it with an elephant's head tantamount to implanting larger intellect. This Ganesha Chaturthi, which falls on the 4th, indicates that in Kali Yuga, which is also the 4th Yuga, intellect is the main goal. The Yuga Dharmas are as follows. For Satya Yuga, it is Mantra. For Treta Yuga, it is Tantra. For Dwapara Yuga, it is Yantra. And for Kali Yuga, it is Vijnanam. While Ganesha's elephant's head is the paramount aspect emphasizing intellect as the main feature, the other parts of the symbolic representation reveal important requisites that make a holistic human being befitting evolutionary progress. While detailed description of the significance of each and every part is beyond the scope of this presentation, large ears and small eyes that indicate huge information flow and minute observation go very well with our present-day gigantic information technology and minuscule nanotechnology. As regards the rat as his Vahana, there is an interesting story. An Asura by name Gajamakasura, with great intellect who challenged Ganesha, was badly defeated and became a tiny creature before Ganesha, who is an embodiment of all-round exuberance.
महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।